How's it going today, my friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here at Canadian Tire today, and I'm going to be talking about their Frank line. I've seen Frank products. I've never purchased any Frank products. When I went online to look, I am shocked. Everything from like snacks to laundry detergent to paper towels to cleaning products. They have so many Frank products. So let's go check out a great Canadian brand, Canadian Tire. We all love them. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela. I love to go shopping. I love to find you the very best products at very best price. I also like to highlight Canadian brands. Go Canada, go. So let's all put a smile on our faces, head inside a Canadian Tire, and I'm gonna do my best. Okay, so by Keurig, but they have the Frank brand of Keurig K-Cups. Let's see what it says on the box. So first of all, it says, flavor with flair, it takes two to tango, you and a hot cup of Frank. This medium roast pairs a good body with notes of cocoa, smooth and a little suave. Take your taste buds to the land of flavor. It's not just coffee, it's a way of life. Okay, so that's pretty cute. Okay, it says it's processed in Canada. Okay, and it says made in Canada from imported ingredients, but still Canadian Tire. Okay, check this out. Frank has you covered ultra soft and strong facial tissue, made in Canada with domestic and imported ingredients, but still Canadian. Okay, Frank is on a roll, strong and absorbent paper towels. I'm just loving this marketing. It's so hilarious. Let's see. Okay, made in Canada with domestic and imported materials. Grab a half sheet for smaller cleanups or a full sheet for bigger ones. These absorbent towels make quick work out of spills and splatters. That's just how they roll. Pretty great. I'm gonna start buying this from now on. Frank is on a roll paper towel. You get a 12 count for 22 bucks. It's pretty great. Look at this, garbage bags. They even do garbage bags. Frank carries the load. This is hilarious. This little Frank guy, he's just the cutest. It says made in Canada with imported materials, but still Canadian Tire is the way to go. Look at that, Frank talks trash, white garbage bags with swift tie. Again, made in Canada with imported materials. Frank loves to recycle. Frank is a lean green fighting machine. Frank is the best. Frank keeps it green, dude. I'm loving Frank. Look at this, the Velita dupe. Frank spins you right round, dual bucket spinning mop. This is only $35, save $5 off right now. That's awesome. Brooms, Frank falls asleep. Cute. Okay, look. Frank never sweats the mess. Multi-purpose sponges. Frank scrubs both ways, scrubbing sponges. Frank cleans up nice, reusable cloths. Check this out, so 60 cloths are $7.79. It's cool like this. Frank has the upper hand microfiber dusting gloves, $5. Frank ditches the bucket spray mop refill, $8.99. Okay, Frank spins you right round, dual bucket mop refill. They have mop heads, absorbs everything. Frank lends a hand, all these rubber gloves, $2.99. Frank fights the tough stuff, stainless steel scours. Frank Scrub-A-Dubs. Thing I am noticing about the Frank products is that a lot of them are made in Canada, but some of them are made in China, but it's still a Canadian brand. So it's all how you look at it. $30, there's that Frank ditches the bucket spray mop system. $30, that's pretty great. Okay, here we go. Frank is a cleaning machine, washing machine cleaner. Look, there's a maple leaf on it. What does this say? Product of Canada. Okay, they have Frank Goes Green, saves you time wool dryer balls. I know I'm here at Canadian Tire talking about the Frank line, but the Canadian Tire, let's see, the Canadian Tire Canvas line is also a Canadian brand. So if you're looking for home interior decorating organization elements, Canvas is a great brand. A lot of it is not made in Canada, but it's still a Canadian brand. Okay, Frank wipes out microfiber cloths. A pack of 20 is $25. This is where it says made in China, but it is a Canadian brand still. Here's some fun stuff. Frank potato chips. Like Frank gets all dressed up. These are $2.79. I'm loving the marketing of it. Frank fires up the queue. What's this? Frank is a big, kind of a big dill. Popcorn Frank butters you up. Which one's this? Frank lightens up. Smaller bags of chips for $1.49. Okay, here's some peanuts. Frank gives back when you snack. There we go. Frank gets glazy candied peanuts, $1.49. Frank goes undercover, milk chocolate almonds. Frank gets the party started. Love this. Frank is the chocolate to your peanut. Frank is the raisin. Frank is raising the bar. What's this one? Frank is filled with PB love. Frank keeps it casual. Frank makes corny jokes. There's the candied peanuts. Oh my gosh, look at it. Frank is barely awake gummy bears. Frank is the queen bean. Frank cherry picked you to pucker up. Frank says wine not. These are just so funny. Okay, these are made in England, it says, but it's packaged in Canada. Frank appreciates you. Frank is cultured yogurt covered pretzels. Frank is meant to be together. Okay, I'm just dying because this packaging alone is hilarious. Frank has all sorts of fun, licorice all sorts. Frank mixes and mingles, licorice candy. Oh, look at, they even have mini eggs. Frank cracks you up. Frank says thank you very much. Frank is tutti frutti, fruit pastel candies. Frank brings the wings, spicy chicken wing and blue cheese dip potato chips. Guys, they have so much here. I'm loving this. It is hilarious. I went on the Canadian Tire website and they have a great breakdown of the Frank products, from cleaning tools, waste bags, cleaners, paper products, floor cleaners, laundry detergent, snacks, all your chips, and then they just have overall categories. So make sure you check out the Canadian Tire website because they do a really great breakdown here. Look, there's even like Frank window cleaner, Frank toilet bowl cleaner, and all really fantastic prices. All right, my friends, let's keep this conversation fun. I really want to support Canadian, and Frank is making me howl. Frank brings the wings. Like, come on. The marketing alone just makes you smile, and that's what I'm all about here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for educating me and all this information, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.